A 70-year-old woman is recovering after being trapped under the rubble when part of her home collapsed.
She was right next door to the home that exploded about a week ago in Northwest Austin.
Fox 7 Austin's Meredith Aldis joins us live near that home with tonight's continuing coverage. Meredith.
Rebecca, Mag, just to give you an idea of how close she really was to that explosion, behind me, that's her bedroom. Part of that home is still standing, but that half is collapsed. And then feet away is the home that is completely leveled now. Investigators say a substantial propane leak that ignited is the reason why this explosion happened.
Yeah, I mean, I'm shocked that she's alive.
David Shockrell's 70-year-old mother, Carol, was in this home on Double Spur Loop in Northwest Austin last Sunday morning.
She was sitting down on the edge of her bed to respond to a text message, and that's when the explosion happened.
It was an explosion so powerful it could be heard as far away as Georgetown, and it leveled the home just on the other side of Carol's bedroom.
It doesn't look like a house ever stood there.
Next door, Carol was trapped.
So the walls were blown in, the roof collapsed on her.
Shockrell says it took emergency crews about an hour to get to her.
They described it as excavating her from the rubble, is how they said it to me.
Carol was eventually taken to the hospital.
I was comforted by the fact that she was alive and that she had such a great team attending to her, but I mean, I've never seen my mom like that, so it was pretty rough.
Shockrell says she's still in the hospital recovering after having several surgeries to fix multiple broken bones. And now he's trying to find a place for her to live in when she gets out.
It's very sketchy in there. You know, the rafters are broken and sagging in.
Her home is now condemned, her car totaled. But he says he's thankful.
I certainly feel like there's higher forces at work here for, so many people to be affected and everyone to virtually be able to walk away from it.
Shockrell tells me his mother will probably be in the hospital for at least another week before she starts physical rehab. A GoFundMe has been started to help with the expenses. That's listed on our website, fox7austin.com. Reporting live in Northwest Austin, Meredith Aldis, Fox 7 Austin News.